Hello friends, welcome to my channel Curiosity Lab. This is the channel where I do cool experiments. Today we are going to make rainbow color using M&Ms. Let's see how it works. First we need some M&Ms and a white plate and some warm water. First, we need to arrange the M&Ms in the white plate. After arranging, we have to add some warm water. Let's wait for the result. We have a really amazing result. Do you know what? There is an outer coating on the candy. If you pour water, it will dissolve. That's how you get an amazing pattern. If you like my video, support and like and subscribe and share.